What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and easy curry recipe. So let's get in the kitchen and get started. It's high in protein, healthy carbs, and vitamins and minerals. So if you guys like these kind of vegan recipe videos, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also upload a whole bunch of other content. You can just browse the channel to see that. But let's get in the kitchen and get started on this curry recipe. All right, guys. So for this curry recipe, these are the vegetables that I'm going to be using, starting with some mushrooms, white beans, carrots, broccolini, 2 potatoes, 1 garlic clove, ginger, and also half of an onion. So we're gonna go ahead and start sauteing these veggies, so let's move over to the stove. So what kind of curry is this if we don't have rice? Right here you guys are seeing some brown rice with paprika, cumin, curry powder, and also a little bit of salt. All right, guys, look at that beautiful sight. So as you guys saw, I added all those veggies in there, and once I added that water, I set a timer for 15 minutes, and this is the final product. So I can't wait to dig in. I'm about to plate it up, make it look nice, take a picture, and then we will chow down. All right, plating 101. Let's try to make this look pretty. I don't want to be dripping all over the place. That's how I'm gonna do it. Natural veggie broth right there. So this is super high in protein from the tofu I added and also the beans. All the veggies got protein in there as well. A ton of healthy carbs from all the veggies and the brown rice. This is literally a complete meal that you guys can enjoy whenever you want. It's an abundance of whole foods and a ton of fiber, so it's super healthy. Check this out, guys. Mountain of food here. Let's dig in. First bite. Look at this steaming. Oh yeah, take you guys to Flavor Town with this recipe. Make sure to try it. I promise you will not be disappointed. So the only thing I will say is that you guys can add more salt. I added half a teaspoon to the curry and half a teaspoon to the rice, and you can taste it, but it's not super salty, and that's fine for me because I'm not a huge salt guy. But if you guys wanted to sprinkle some more salt, it would definitely add a bit more flavor. But the combination of all the veggies, the curry spice, the ginger, the garlic, the onion makes it taste really good. So you probably don't need more salt, but if you guys like that, to each his own. Sprinkle some more salt on there. So as I said before, it's a very high protein meal. It's high in healthy carbohydrates. It's also high in vitamins and minerals, so it's a very healthy meal. And if you guys do decide to make it, make sure to tag me on Instagram or comment down below. I would love to see or hear about your guys' creations. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Deuce.